Hi everyone, welcome back to IELTS.Nishagar. This is a special video for IELTS Writing Task 2 for academic as well as general aspirants. As I have already discussed in my previous videos that there are numerous types of writing tasks too, like discuss both views, agree disagree, positive or negative development, give your opinion, advantage disadvantage, and there is a list of two-part question. What is a two-part question? All these cause solution, cause opinion, cause effect are two-part question. Why it is called two-part? Because within a question there are two questions that is being asked to you, and you are responsible to give answers for both the questions for your task achievement. For example, the question like, these days excessive countries face traffic. What are the reasons? Describe some solutions. So, from these days till excessive traffic is your question that you need to paraphrase. Afterwards, the very first question, describe the causes and then solutions. So, here I am giving you my format how to deal with this particular question. Let's dive in. The very first thing is to give the keyword. You can write this particular line. Dash is a burning issue. In dash, you can write the keyword. For instance, the question which I have just discussed, these countries face excessive traffic. So, traffic becomes your keyword. Traffic is a burning issue. It has increased at an alarming rate. Afterwards, you need to do the paraphrasing. Then, you have to answer both the question. Apparently, the very first thesis, and then however, second thesis. It is really indispensable to mention both the thesis statements. Apparently, first question answer, however, second question answer. Suppose your question is, here comes your question, which you can even find in ieltsnisha.blogspot.com. You can find all the writing task 2 sample answers, well descriptive 7.5 sample answers. See, read the question. These days, many countries face excessive traffic. What are the reasons? Describe some positive ways to overcome traffic congestion. So you can here see that traffic is a keyword, and from these days till excessive traffic becomes your paraphrasing. The very first question is, what are the reasons? And second is, describe some positive ways to overcome. So this is what I have given. These two lines becomes your key line, and then you have to do the paraphrasing. Then by giving apparently, you have to give causes answer. You can say various factors are responsible for this. And for the second, describe some positive ways to overcome traffic congestion. That is your second question. So by putting however a transition word, you can give your another question. That becomes your complete first paragraph. It sums up by four things: keyword, paraphrasing, apparently, however. Now it's the turn of second paragraph, that is your body paragraph. You have to start it by using fundamentally, a connector. You can write this line. There are numerous factors. Again, I'm saying ieltsnisha.blogspot.com is a site where you can find well descriptive simple answers. So here is my second paragraph. Fundamentally, you can see very well I have given 3 points here. First and foremost, secondly, thirdly, with perfect examples. Now comes the third paragraph. The third paragraph is for solutions. Nevertheless, there are potential ways to tackle this menace. Menace means grave issue, or you can simply write to tackle this issue. Chiefly. Chiefly is again a transition word. Chiefly means firstly. You can even write firstly, to begin with, first and foremost, and chiefly. There are many transition words that you can use. The purpose is just to give your points. The explanation of your points should be very good, plus the defined structure. So see the sample answer. Nevertheless, there are potential ways to reduce this menace. I have given here the solutions, the 3 solutions with one example. The fourth paragraph is to conclude, to recapitulate. So in the fourth paragraph, you have to write whatever you have written in your essay. Conclusion means to sum up, the crux, the gist of what you have written from the beginning till the bottom. That means your conclusion. Do not write anything extra in your conclusion. Conclusion, you have to just sum up whatever you have written. So, 2-part question means you have to give 2 thesis statements, one by one, by giving a transition word. You can use transition word of your own, no worries, but make sure that you give your thesis statement in your first paragraph right after paraphrasing, so that you can get good bands for task achievement. Thank you for watching the full video.